to be here to celebrate the people of Andhra Bank. It is celebrating growth, it is celebrating success, it is celebrating people who are responsible for all this. 90 years in the life of an institution is not very long. Maybe in the lives of individuals it is a very long life, but in the life of an institution it's not long. The bank, which was established by Dr. Bograj Pattab Siddharamaiah in 1923, has become a giant in the banking industry today. It has achieved many milestones. It started from nowhere, from Machilipatnam. Today it is a pan-India bank with nearly 1,900 branches. And it has achieved a business of 2,25,000 crores. In about 6 months' time, we computerized all the branches in 2009. And that was a milestone for the bank. In 2010, we crossed a milestone figure of 1 lakh crores, which was another major achievement. I think the growth between 2009 and 2010 was almost about 35%. And between 2010 and 2012, we doubled the business in a matter of 2 years. All that is because of you. It's not because of the chairman or it is because of the executive directors or the top management, but it is because of the people who are working in the fields, in the branches. There is a lot to be proud of for our achievements. And as Mr. Mishra said, Andhra Bank was the first bank in India to launch a credit card of ours. Wherever we go, we still hear that it was Andhra Banks who launched the credit card, and many of those people are still using Andhra Bank credit card. And 2011 and 2012, the bank received many accolades for the best performance, for the mid-size category, for the best asset quality, for the best profitable parameters. I think this success would not have been possible but for the sheer hard work done by all of you. Of course, the vision and the guidance given by the top management. Apart from all these financial performance and the numbers, I think the brand that the bank has enjoyed in the state of Andhra Pradesh is unparalleled. Whether you walk into the chambers of the Chief Minister, whether you walk into any trade bodies, or you meet any customer, they always prize the contribution of Andhra Bank, particularly the state of Andhra Pradesh. Today we are 17th amongst the nationalized banks, but we cannot take comfort being in 17th position, but we have to improve our ranking at least in the first 5. That can happen if we sustain this performance, if we sustain this growth, but not only sustaining, but we have to improve upon what we have achieved all these days. And that achievement can be possible if we introspect of ourselves and compare what our competitors are doing and how we can better that. One thing that needs to be kept in mind in all our actions is the customer. If you keep the customer's interest at the topmost, at the top of our mind, then I think we will be able to reach that. Because without customer support, without customers' loyalty, we will not be able to achieve whatever we want to do that. You are going to see more competition coming in the banking industry in the next 2 years. I think the new private sector banks have also become complacent with regard to the customer's interest and with regard to how we can serve the rural masses better. That is why I think the Reserve Bank has now opened up more banks. I think they are now started receiving applications. And when these new banks come, if they have to survive, they will bring in innovation, they will bring in technology. And if we have to survive that, I think that is what this project is all about. Preparing ourselves for competition, nothing beyond that. And that is why I said that our competitive advantage lies in fully empowered workforce that can quickly adapt to change. And this whole project is intended for that. So without talking much, I would like to congratulate all of you for all the successes that you have been able to achieve. But at the same time, let me wish you all the very best for the years to come. And I would like to see the bank reaching one of the top 5 banks in this country.